Hello students, welcome to Services classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Bstat question paper from year 2017. Today we will be solving question number 25. In question number 25 it has been said that let ABC be real numbers such that A is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Then we need to find out the smallest possible value of B. The options are 0, -1, -1 by 4 and -1 by 2. Now we have been given that A is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So we can write it as B square is equal to A minus A square minus of C square. Now for B to be for B to be minimum, B square is maximum. In reverse, if we can say that if B square is maximum, then B will have a large magnitude irrespective of the sign. So basically B min will be the negative of root of B max. B max, B square max, not B max, B square max. That will be the possibility over here. Let me write it out more clearly. So basically B min will be negative of root over B square max. This is what we are trying to follow. So now B square, we have already found out that B square is equal to A minus A square minus C square. Now for this we can write as A into 1 minus A minus of C square. Now for B square to be maximum, for B square max we have C square equal to 0 implies C is equal to 0. Therefore we can write B square is equal to A into 1 minus A, which we can write as f of A, suppose, say. So now if we differentiate if we find out f dash A will be equal to 1 minus twice of A. Now for maximum minimum f dash A is equal to 0. This implies that A will be equal to 1 by 2. In the next step we find out f double dash A. Now f double dash A is equal to -2. Therefore we can say that f dash A is maximum at A equal to 1 by 2. In other words we can write that B square is maximum at A equal to 1 by 2. Therefore we can write that B square max will be equal to A into 1 minus A, that will be equal to half into half, that will be equal to 1 by 4. Therefore the maximum value of B squared is 1 by 4. So that will imply, let me write over, that will imply that B min is equal to minus of root over 1 by 4, that is minus of 1 by 2. So for B min is minus of 1 by 2, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 25 from the ISI Bstat question paper of year 2017. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Services classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.